Massachusetts Congresswoman Ayanna Pressley is firing back at President Trump for a series of tweets this morning, apparently attacking her and 3 other freshman Democrats in Congress. Without naming the women directly, Trump tweeted that the progressive Congresswomen should go back to the countries they came from. Pressley tweeted back today, quote, "This is what racism looks like. We are what democracy looks like, and we're not going anywhere except back to D.C. to fight for the families you marginalize and vilify every day." Democratic presidential candidate Cory Booker, campaigning in New Hampshire today, said Trump had crossed the line of civility.
He really wants us to divide us against each other. He wants to call to the baser, more vile elements of this world that are about judging people, about condemning people, demeaning people, degrading people. And, you know, for the women he's talking about, he won't win.
The other Congresswomen Trump was apparently tweeting about were New York's Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, Minnesota's Ilhan Omar, and Michigan's Rashida Tlaib. Of the 4, only Ilhan Omar was born in another country. That would be Somalia.